I installed a 1.6 rocker arms on this engine with roller tips. These are a torque down spec. However, I did do some checking when I was tightening them down with the zero lash and approximately a half turn. It brings the bolts to the exact torque, which I was pretty impressed with. With the 1.6 rockers, it's going to increase my stock cam's lift approximately 35 thousandths. So that should help out. And so we are getting ready to put this intake on and get everything all torqued down. I'm hoping to try to get this thing started up here on the engine stand here within the next day or two. So stay tuned.